Hello guys, today I received so many ID cards. Okay, they're like this. Really, there are a lot of cards. I have all these ones and I have more. So I think this product, it's perfect if you have like so many personal and you want that everybody looks like clean, and if you look to someone and you forget your name or it's a new person, here you can put it. Here's like an example that you can put like the name, the number, the department where they work, and like a post. So yeah, I think this one, it's like perfect because you can take it off and then put it very simple in, okay, like this. So I really like it. Okay, it's like this, and they came many, so you just need like the chain that it will be in your neck, but these ones are perfect, and it's like a different type. Okay, it's not crystal, it's like another type and another type of material, and the size is 54 for 86 millimeters. Okay, here it is. Okay, we use this card, well, my ID card. I'm having a different strap, okay, that it doesn't came with this product, but I have one, and I'm going to put it like this. Here will be my information, and then I'm going to put it. Okay, I already put it here, and okay, I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, obviously you can fix it like however you want, like here, but I think it's perfect. But because it's going to look here like your information, and also like it's here, you can put there like your photo and you can move it. Okay, obviously when you have your chain, it doesn't going to go down, but if you take it off, you can change it. Okay, so I think it's very practice and I love it.